Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily perform pedals calibration on your HORI Track Control System. So first, we need to open up the HORI Track Control System wheel in the Device Manager app. Now go to Pedal Settings, and here we will have the pedals calibration. So let's click Next. Oh, I messed it up. Let's start again. Now click Next when the acceleration pedal is clicked to the max. So now let's go over and do acceleration. Click Next. Now let go. And now go with the brake. So I need to do it like that. Now let's click Next. And last is the pedal. So let's turn up the pedal but the clutch. Now we need to click on Final, and as you guys can see, the calibration is okay. So that means we've passed it. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.